Tapping the hamburger menu located in the top right-hand corner accesses the Home, Text Messages, Settings, and Logout pages. The tab menu at the bottom of the home page gives access to the Dashboard, Diagnostics Messages, Information, and Documentations tab. Select the Diagnostics tab to view the list of critical codes, all codes, and service history. Tap on any other tab menu to switch between tabs. The hamburger menu provides access to text messages that have 5 predefined recipients to send and receive text messages via the satellite data plan. Tap on the recipient title bar to access the conversation between the machine user and the end recipient user. The hamburger menu also provides access to settings, which includes the user, system, machine, configuration, data, remote access, and engine diagnostic submenus. Selecting the User submenu leads to the Account, Password, Preferences, and Dashboard panels. Tap on any panel title bar to expand and collapse the information. Where available, scroll up and down to view additional information. The System submenu provides access to the Firmware Update, Snapshot Capture, Database, and General panels. The Machine menu allows access to the Service, Inclinometer, and Battery panels. The Configuration menu provides access to the General and Geographic panels. Select the Data submenu to export data by downloading Datalog, histograms, or all data. The Remote Access submenu displays the data plan information for text messages, and the Engine Diagnostics submenu gives access to the Engine Inducement Unlock panel. To log out of LogOn system, select the hamburger menu, then the logout icon. When prompted, tap to confirm logging out of LogOn.